I had a certain tall liar and fraudster saying, go and tell your witch that Makandiwa kills witches and wizards. And anotaura varoi vako kuti Makandiwa anouraya. Look at the irony. Makandiwa brags that he kills witches and wizards. Jesus bragged that he dies for the witches and wizards. Who are you going to follow?
Yes.
Whereas Makandiwa kills witches, Jesus died for the witches. But the people are following that one. Anouraya maroi. Nomukauraya varoi naya Makandiwa muchatendeutsani. Imagine a doctor bragging that he kills all sick people.
Hey.
Who are you going to treat? Naya chiremba mukauraya varwere mucharapani. Izvozvo achitaura kuti ndinouraya varoi. Kunotori nevakanga vabhadhara semoni iyoyo. Yakabhadharwa. Fully paid. Undosvika uchinzwa kanonoka, it's fully booked. Munouraya varoi. Saka muchasara nani zvatinoroya tese? Are you not paying to be disinformed?
Yes.
Is your ignorance coming to you for free? Or you are paying steep prices and steep costs for your ignorance? There are people right now who are not doing anything. They say, I'm looking for a job. They can't sell things on the vending markets. They were told that if you are degreed, you must go into an office.
Yes.
You paid for 4 years to be lied to. Now you have a useless degree in a country that is not building any industries. 5 years from now, you shall find a job. Someone who is running a tuck shop today is going to expand into a multi-million-dollar business. He's going to hire you to be his human resources manager. And you are going to find a job 5 years from now. The person who is going to employ you does not have a degree. He is simply knowledgeable on what builds his life and what doesn't.
Yes.
Koma. Kudzidza hakuna kushata, hatisi kuramba kudzidza. Ngatidzidze zvinhu zvinotivaka. Ngatiregei kudzidza zvinhu zvinotiuraya.
Yes.
Yes. There are no mountains from where the United Arab Emirates government can crush stones to pave their roads into tarred roads. Arabs import quarry stones from Africa. They have the world's best roads. We have the stones. We don't have roads. If people wanted to be having excuses, Arabs should not have tarred roads, paved roads. They would say, we don't have the stones, so we have gravel roads. They have paved roads. They import stones from Africa. Africa has stones. It doesn't have roads. Acquired ignorance. Everyone is looking for donors and investors. Acquired ignorance. You are being told that if somebody doesn't come from overseas to give you money, you can't do anything. What a tragedy. If Africans were sent to Europe and Europeans were sent to Africa after 10 years, Africans in Europe would be looking for visas to come back to Africa. The African land is not the problem.
Yes.
The African people are the problem.
Yes.
It's all about the mentality. We are educated to be the last. We are educated to seek for jobs and not to create jobs. We are educated to look for donations and sponsorships. We are educated to be inferior. We are educated to wear suits and sit in an office behind a computer watching nonsense. We are educated to tell ourselves that if you cross the sea, you have made success. Go to Europe. There are European people who are born in the farms. They live in the farms. They die in the farms.
Yes.
But they are multi-millionaires.
Yes.
Right now, if you see someone from the farms today in Africa, you look down upon him. Anogara mumaprazi. Ipapo nenguva akadya mabhatatisi dzawatenga muchicken slice dzakabva kuprazi. Educated ignorance. That's what we are. We need to come out of that.
Yes.
And tell ourselves we can do better.
Yes.
We need to look for information that can help us. Look at what the information will do to you, where the information will take you. Don't just take a program, a degree program. Ask, where will I get a job with this program? If it is not in my own country, I don't need it. You can't educate me in Africa to go and look for a job in Australia. Educate me so that I can work in my own land to improve myself.
Yes.
The whole idea of getting a work permit is not a good idea. I want to work in my own country. Whatever I'm building, when I'm dead, when I'm gone, my great-grandchildren will benefit from that. So when we preach every day, we are working very hard to correct all the disinformation. That's why sometimes we are very aggressive, because some of this disinformation requires aggression to come out from you.
Yes.
We teach the word in a way that challenges you to think beyond what you are satisfied with.
Yes.
We are not naturally aggressive. The word is aggressive towards heresy and towards lies, because lies come from the devil.
Yes.
You need to be detoxified from disinformation. There was a time when I finished preaching at First Street. So I went to OK. My Chiwenga had asked me to buy something for her. As I left the supermarket, there were ladies selling vegetables on the pavement. So I stood by a certain table and I picked some vegetables. The woman said, "Oh, it's Apostle Chiwenga. Oh, man of God, man of God. We love you so much. You are preaching a very wonderful sermons. We listen to you every time." So I wanted to pay. She said, "Don't pay, don't pay, don't pay. We can't charge a man of God." I had to spend 10 minutes with those ladies to educate them that if they don't take money from me, that was the last time I was going to buy from them. The first thing. The second thing is, I must not use my work as a minister to get things for free. In order for you to come back to selling these vegetables, you need to buy from those who are supplying you. You can't take Chiwenga's name to those suppliers and ask them to resupply you using my name. In business, the transactions are sealed basing on money. It's payment based. Let me pay. If you want to give me something for free, visit my home, bring a paper bag of those vegetables. I will receive them. I came to your office as a customer. I'm not going to use my ministerial duties as a form of payment. It's not a payment. So they then understood. I then paid and I left. They said, "Well, we just wanted to show you that we love you." I said, "I know you love me. Come and listen to the word if you love me." It doesn't work like that. You have children to feed. You have school fees to pay. You have bills to pay. The man of God is not a paper bag receiving from everyone and giving to none. That is not the idea of a man of God that I know. Tinotenga sei mangwana. Unepesera wangodzokera kuti ndakuya uzokona ari sei madomasi worongedzerwa oenda kunoita rombe nyika yakatarisa kudai. Pesera wakora nechikafu chirikadzi nenherera chauri kutora mahara. Ndo zvakaita vanhu vaMwari vatina zvonyadzisa izvo. May God bless you with more understanding in his word. You must make sure you don't acquire ignorance. Everything that you are reading and watching or listening to, it is informing you in one way or the other. Are you being misinformed? Are you being informed? Are you being disinformed? You must answer this question every time you open a browser. You start to play any video, any audio. Ask yourself this question. Not everything that you do will benefit you.